Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device and app. Open Google Authenticator now. Make sure your phone is unlocked and the app installed. This prevents delays. Next, verify system time is set to automatic because codes depend on correct clocks. While in the app, locate the account entry or scan option. If you previously saved a QR or backup key, have that visible. Once done, you're ready to generate the first one-time code and proceed to the linking step. Now add or retrieve the code. Choose Add Account, then scan the QR code from the service or enter the setup key manually. This binds the account to Authenticator. If the account is already present, tap it and read the 6-digit code shown. Notice the circular timer bar or numeric countdown, since codes rotate every 30 seconds. Make sure you enter the code into the service before it expires, and if entering manually, double-check you type the setup key correctly. Finish by entering the displayed 6-digit code into the service and submitting it immediately. If the service rejects the code, don't panic. First, resync your phone's clock to network time and try again, because time drift is the most common issue. If resyncing fails, verify the setup key or rescan the QR code, and as a fallback use saved backup codes or the provider's account recovery flow. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep at least one backup method available in case Authenticator.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.